Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to sign up into easyJet. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is make sure that you've already downloaded and installed the application. I've already made a video on that, so you can go ahead and watch it. Simply go ahead and open your easyJet application. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the top right triple lines icon. Once you've done that, simply click on sign in or register. Then you want to simply switch to the register tab and it's going to take you to a completely different window. Simply go ahead and wait for it to load. Once it is done, what you need to do is simply go ahead and enter the email that you want to create an account with, enter a password that you want to create, confirm your password. You'll also need to go ahead and fill all these details like your first name, your surname, your address, your town, your postcode, and your country. And that is about it. Simply go ahead and fill out all of this and your account will be created. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.